Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, we will be going through 10 amazing tips and tricks that everyone should know in Windows 10. These tips can really make your life a lot easier when using Windows 10. And the first tip is to open up shortcuts that are on your taskbar using your keyboard. For example, I have File Explorer, Firefox and Microsoft Edge on my taskbar. If I hold down the Windows key and press number 2, it will open Firefox. If I hold down the Windows key and press the number 3, it will open Microsoft Edge. If I then hold down the Windows key and press number 1, it will open File Explorer. Number 2 is restarting your graphics driver within Windows. If you're having display issues, this really can save you a lot of time from having to restart your PC. To do this, all you need to do is hold down the Windows key, hold down Ctrl, Shift and B. Your screen will then flicker black and then it will resume the display. And with a bit of luck, your Windows will be working perfectly again. Number 3, you can access useful settings just by simply right clicking on your start menu icon. And there we go, as you can see, there's lots of useful quick to access settings. You can also press the Windows key and X.
Number 4 is how to quickly show your desktop. This is really handy if you have lots of windows open on your screen and you want to quickly access your desktop. There are 2 ways to do this. The first one is to press the Windows key and the D key at the same time, and that will take you straight to your desktop. The other thing you can do is simply go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click in the far right corner, and again that will take you straight to your desktop. Number 5 is how to bring up the Windows 10 emoji keyboard. This is a really cool trick to bring up Windows emoji picker and add them into your text. There are 2 keyboard shortcuts to bring up this emoji keyboard. The first one is hold the Windows key and the full stop at the same time, and there we go, it's popped up on my screen. Or you can hold the Windows key and the semicolon at the same time, and again it brings up the keyboard on my screen. I've just got Notepad running in the background here, so I'm just going to select a couple of emojis. So we'll go for the googly eyes, go for the love heart, and go for the smiley face. And then you can see that it's input them in here for me. Number 6 is how to always keep your calculator on top. It can be really frustrating when you're using your Windows 10 calculator and you're trying to work out calculations with other multiple windows open and it keeps disappearing behind them every time you switch between a new window. So to always keep your calculator on top, you simply just need to press Alt and up, and there you go. It will now always be on top. So if I switch to Notepad, to Chrome, and then to File Explorer, it's always here. So you can always keep your calculations visible on the screen.
Number 7, you can actually restart Windows Explorer within Windows, and this can help resolve any issues you are having with your start menu, taskbar or File Explorer and other issues. To do this, all you need to do is right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager. You then need to scroll all the way down to the bottom under Windows Processes until you find Windows Explorer. You then need to simply right click and go Restart. You will then notice everything flash on your screen and also the taskbar icons will reload. And there we go. With a bit of luck, that would have resolved some issues you are having in Windows Explorer to save you from restarting your machine. But just remember, it's always a good idea to save any work you currently have open before doing this. Number 8, we can actually change our power plan on our PC or laptop to performance mode, which will actually improve the performance of Windows. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner and right click on the start menu icon. You now need to click on Power Options, and you then need to click on Additional Power Settings, and we now need to click on the High Performance option. But just remember, this may use more energy, and also if you're using a laptop, your battery time may reduce.
Number 9 is how to pause your Windows 10 updates for 35 days. This is a really handy tip if you're doing important work or you don't want to be interrupted on your PC, so you can pause your updates for up to 35 days. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Windows Start menu icon. You now need to go onto Settings, and you now need to go onto Update and Security. You need to make sure that you have the Windows Update tab selected on the left, and you need to scroll down to Advanced Options. You now need to go down to Pause Updates, and like I said, you can actually pause them for up to 35 days. So all you do is click on the drop down menu here and choose the date. So I'm going to just go ahead and put the latest date of the 20th of October. And if you now press the back arrow up here, as you can see, my updates are now paused. And finally, number 10 of our Windows 10 tips and tricks is Snipping Tool. This is a really fantastic app in Windows 10. You can take little snippets or screenshots around your screen or of important information that you want to save. To use Snipping Tool, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in snip. You now need to open Snipping Tool here. If you select New, and then click with your left mouse button and hold and drag the area that you would like to take a screenshot of, and then simply let go, and there you go. It will take a screenshot or a snippet of that area for you. And that's it for this video. We hope these 10 tips and tricks did help you out, or maybe there was something you were actually unaware of. We hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.